As you can see, that is an image, a carving of a canoe. It just so happens right above the carving of the canoe is a series of letters. Like I've been saying, in the 1800s, our grandparents' generation came back out here after they learned how to read and write and started to chisel words and letters to leave as clues for us. So we can decipher and understand what these images mean. And this one in particular is a series of letters that actually spell out A-O-H-O-K-U. The U goes inside the O. How do I know for a fact that that's what this was meant to be? That I'm not just coming up with some fancy theory? It's because Pohaku means star light. And they purposely chiseled the U inside the O like this principle here. You see this? It's in the shape of a sextant. This is the math that is used when a navigator has to take his bearings. Yeah. So the fact that these letters were chiseled in this manner to take the shape of a sextant, like this, above the canoe, tells me that this is Pohaku. This is not a theory. This is starlight, because this is how our ancestors navigated over the open ocean. In 1976, when that scientific experiment of the Hokulea went through, they successfully proved that our ancestors were in fact masters of the sea. That we were not gypsies of the sea that wandered here on accident. No. We were masters of the sea. And because I'm putting together this giant star map that once went around this whole island, yeah, that means we were not only masters of the sea, we were masters of the stars as well, because we chiseled the map first. This is a picture illustration of the stars. And you see this Milky Way right here? Okay, it was already chiseled out here on our field. You see what appears to look like solar panels. This is the Milky Way. Now, this dot with a circle around it is actually the sun, because it faces the east and it is in line with the sun, because the sun rises in the east, right here. And if you follow this line, then you come to this indentation here that faces the west, because the sun sets in the west. And it is only now in our modern day era where our modern day man has the capability, the technology to actually capture images out in space so that they can come up with maps like this to help the rest of the world understand the stars.
Please point to the Milky Way again.
It's right there. And that's a wrap.
Home is behind, the world ahead, and there are many paths to tread, through shadow to the edge of night, until the stars are all alight. Mist and shadow, cloud and shade, all shall fade.